from every angle of the city, you could see what was happening between the Palisades and the Eaton fires.
Started getting a little bit bigger. I saw embers everywhere, and I started to understand what sort of situation we were in.
The fire, it changed our lives forever. We lost everything inside and around. It hasn't been easy.
When I first learned about the wildfires in LA, we immediately pulled together internally and said, how can we help? How can we give back? And reached out to both national and local responding organizations.
We are in the heart of Altadena, and in this tiny space, we used to set up 3 times a week. I have been part of the Altadena community for almost 16 years, and I'm a small business owner.
Thanks to the generous support of our donors like PayPal, World Central Kitchen was able to provide immediate food relief to evacuees, first responders, and small businesses like Brisa for her to provide meals for the community.
When the LA fires hit, the thing that was really important to us was to be there for our merchants. Being able to be in their communities with their customers to allow them to offer their services or goods in new ways that they may not have tried before. Be that tap to pay, the ability to send invoices, to come back online through donations, allowing them to rebuild their businesses well before the communities came back.
Within hours of those first reports of the fire starting, we really understood that not only did the community need us, but our firefighters needed us. Our mission is simple. It's to stand in the gap between what the city funds and what firefighters need. So when we got that phone call from PayPal, it was absolutely incredible.
I've had the opportunity to work with small businesses for a long time. There's so much that inspires me about the resilience with which they operate.
Partnerships with entities like PayPal and World Central Kitchen is crucial for the change and the healing process.
Los Angeles is a resilient community. It really felt like the entire city was looking for a way to help.
Community is our superpower. That is how we move forward.
Even 1 year later, the impact of the wildfires is still deeply felt, but so is the strength of this community. We're proud to stand with Los Angeles and committed to being here long term.